Hello and welcome to this Python tutorial series. We are studying Python data structure dictionary. In today's video, we will see Python dictionary setDefault method. SetDefault method takes two parameters. First is a key and second is a default value. If the key is present in the dictionary, then it returns the value pertaining to the key and the default value remains as it is. If the key is not present in the dictionary, then it inserts a key value pair inside the dictionary and returns the default value. If default value is not specified, then the key will be inserted in the dictionary, value of the key will be none, and none will be returned by the setDefault method. Let's cross check. First, we create a dictionary D7, contains key value pairs. We check information regarding setDefault method. D7 dictionary name dot setDefault followed by a question mark. You can see setDefault method takes two parameter key. Second parameter is default. If you don't pass it, default value of default parameters will be none. Inserts key with the value of default if key is not in the dictionary. If the key is not present in the dictionary, it will insert a key value pair and return the value of default. If the key is present in the dictionary, returns the value of the key if key is in the dictionary. It is a built-in function or method. We cross-check this information. It is returning one value, therefore we are storing the value in var, and we run the setDefault method default and we pass a key which is not present in the dictionary, in this case 100, and default value as 10. What will happen when you run this method? A key value pair with the key as 100 and a value as 10 will be inserted inside the dictionary and 10 will be returned, which will be stored in var. Click on the cell, run the cell. We check the status of defa d7.setDefault. Now you can check the status of the dictionary D7. It has a new key value pair inserted, which is 100, value is 10, and after this operation is done, 10 was written in var, so we check the value of var. You can see it contains 10. If the key is not present and you don't specify the default value, second case. So we again create a dictionary D7. Now dictionary contains 2, 3, 10, key 4, 10, 20. We call d7.setDefault method with the key 100 and return the value in var. As the key 100 is not present in the dictionary, the new key will be added 100, value will be default, which is none, and default is written in var. Therefore val also contains none. Click on the cell, run the cell. Check D7. You can see in the last, key is 100, value is none. As var contain none, if you print the var, it will show nothing, and if you print the type of var, it will show that it is of none type. Final case wherein the key is present inside the dictionary, so value pertaining to the key will be written and the default value will be ignored. For example, we create a D7 again. Now we run the d7.setDefault method with key 2, so value written will be 40. 40 will be stored in var, and there is no change in the dictionary D7, and the value of default 10 will be ignored. Click on the cell, run the cell. Check the status of D7 now. You see Dictionary remains unchanged. Value 40 will be stored in var. So we check the content of var. Output is 40. We check the type of var, which should be integer. That's it regarding set default method. We discussed 3 cases. First, if the key is not present, then the key will be added to the dictionary and value will be none and none will be written. Second, key is not present in the dictionary and you pass the default value, so key will be the new key and the default value like 110 and 10 will be written, the default will be written. And third case, when the value was present, then the key was present, then the value was written and stored in the variable and the default value was ignored. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Do hit that subscribe button for more such technical content. See you in the next video.